Hey guys, I hope you're having a great day. It's been a while since I've done an unboxing on my channel, and I just think they're so much fun. I just got my FabFitFun spring box. I have it right here. It is unopened, and I thought it'd be fun to sit down and go through the products with you. A lot of them are going to be a surprise. I have no idea what's going to be in the box, and I haven't watched any unboxings just for that reason. I like to do these kind of on a whim and figure them out with you as I would like normally unbox it. So I hope you guys enjoy these types of videos, but I do also want to mention some videos that you can expect on my channel here soon, and one of them is going to be a journaling video, of course. Another one's going to be kind of wedding related, but then kind of journal related as well. And then another one is going to be Ipsy unbagging. So I have a good variety. I also have a haul and a couple things that I chose from Octoly. So that's what you can expect on my channel. Anyway, let's jump to the purpose of this video. We're going to open up the box and see what it looks like. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. I'm going to pull this paper out and flip to the page where it has all the information, just so I don't get anything too wrong in this video. Right off the top, I also see a HelloFresh card. It says $50 off, $25 off your first 2 boxes, which I actually been looking into this because I've seen it all across social media. I did recently go on the HelloFresh website just to sign up and see what it was all about, and also to gauge the pricing if I was interested in trying it. And I put together an order just to see where the price would fall, and it was way out of my price range. I think it's so much easier to go to the store and pick out ingredients for yourself because you save so much money. But the fact that they give you money off the first 2 orders is the only way that I would try it personally. And then I guess they hope to get you hooked so that you'll keep purchasing just for the convenience factor. But for me, it's probably not the most practical, but I'm still going back and forth considering it a little bit to try it out. And if I do, I probably will do a video on my channel just to give like an honest review, not affiliated with them whatsoever. And I think that might be interesting, but setting that to the side. Okay, so here's a good look of what the inside of the box looks like. It's always so organized, and it just satisfies me to get that first look. So I wanted to share that, but I will set this down in front of me and just start pulling out the products and let you know what I think. Okay, so for starters, I see this right here. This is the Brenner Los Angeles. It says it's a love bracelet. So this is right up my alley. As you can see, I love dainty jewelry. I just think it's so flattering, especially because I don't have the smallest arms. So I do really like this. It is a nice gold shade, which I like any color jewelry, rose gold, gold, and silver, but I don't have a lot of gold dainty jewelry. So I'm glad to have this. And this retails for $65. So not super affordable. I'm usually budgeting, and jewelry just never makes my budget. So I would never spend $65 on any piece of jewelry, honestly. So the fact that I can build my jewelry collection a little bit from FabFitFun makes me really happy. This is not the first piece of jewelry that I've gotten from FabFitFun that I actually get a lot of use out of. I know I will get a lot of use out of that. So yeah, I'm happy with the first item. Let's move on to the next one. This is a lip statement palette by the brand Ish. This retails for $42. A lip palette is not something I typically grab for or reach for, but it might be something new that I end up liking. I actually did know we were getting this because I do follow Alex Garza, and I love her channel, and I know that she had a role in helping to, I believe, create this. So I think that's pretty cool. Looking at it in person, it does have a nice variety of colors. It's got some pinkish purple shades. It's got some mauve tones around that bright shade right there, some oranges and reds. It also has a big mirror on this side, and the packaging is pretty nice. I will say the one major pro about this that would make me reach for it is the fact that there's a lot of lipstick shades that I have bought that I don't like at all on my complexion, or I just don't think it's flattering on my lips. And for whatever reason, I keep repurchasing those same kind of shades. So I think it would be worth my time and energy to experiment with mixing some of these colors. That way when I'm purchasing lipsticks, I get the right colors and I know I'm gonna like and use it. Okay, so this next one, this is the Rachel Pally Reversible Clutch, and there's a few different color choices. You can get either Bloom, Zahara, or Paradise, and I'll show you what they look like in a second. But I can already say this is probably gonna be my favorite thing in the box, just because I'm obsessed with bags and clutches. And this retails for $60, which is more expensive than probably all of the purses that I have right now. So excited. I'm sure this is going to be made well. Look at this pattern for spring. It is beautiful. Okay, so I guess what they mean by it being reversible is you can either hold it this way or you can fold it over the opposite way. So it's got this really nice yellow gold color on the inside, which I think complements the teal really nicely. I do think it's kind of weird that they don't have like a tie or snaps or anything to keep it in place while it's folded, so it just kind of wants to open up. So that part's a little bit flawed in my my opinion. I do have some clutches like this, but they have something to keep them in place so that they stay folded. So here's the other two patterns that you could have gotten. If you can see those, I got the one in the middle, and then you have this orange floral design. And then this one also caught my attention a lot because of the colors. It's got some green, maroon, and blue. But I feel like the one that I got is the most spring-like. It gets me the most excited for spring, and it's so different than anything else that I have. So the packaging on here is a little bit confusing. This is by Lilley, and it's the #1 candle, and this one's in Manhattan Beach. This is what it looks like. It is super simple and minimalistic. The candle does slide around a little bit, but I like the minimalistic approach. It's probably not my favorite candle that I've ever gotten. It's $45, so I can't wait to light it and see if it's worth the money. It does smell really good. It's a pretty strong fragrance, and like I said, it's Manhattan Beach. It's bergamot, musk, white jasmine, Brazilian soft woods, and citrus and heliotrope. I don't know. I'm not a huge candle person. I usually just go for Bath & Body Works, or I've been ride or die for my oil diffuser. Okay, let's pull out something a little bit different. This is a massage roller by Physique 57. This retails for $20, and the description says, this massage roller does wonders for sore, achy muscles, improve flexibility, break up scar tissue, and keep tender muscles at bay. Just 5 to 10 minutes with this tool will have your body feeling all the feels. So I don't know. I don't know if this is gimmicky or not. It actually feels really sharp, and it looks like the toys that Chaos has that are his favorite. So if I leave this laying around, I know he will think this is a toy. But the thing that appeals to me the most is the breaking up scar tissue. I think that part is really cool, but I don't know. It just feels painful. I'm not into massages that are actually like painful like this, like spiky. So yeah, this is a pretty neat contraption. Let me know if any of you got this and actually tried it out. I would love to hear your experience with it. Next thing in here is a Free People Understated Leather Eye Mask, and let me just tell you, this feels so luxurious. The bag is high quality. I love the font they use, by the way. I know it's a weird thing to say, but I'm into hand lettering, so that just wins me over when you have good packaging with good hand lettering. But this feels pretty heavy, pretty thick, and just super luxurious. Not to mention, I love this design. I've never had an eye mask before, but if I were going to use one, it would be something like this that is super high quality. So this retails for $40, which is so expensive for an eye mask. But there are a few features to this that make it really nice and probably worth the money. So I'm going to read that to you just off the paper here. It says that it is a vegan leather mask, and it has a removable non-toxic cooling insert that keeps you feeling and looking refreshed. It also says that the strap is of course adjustable, and it also says you can place the insert in the fridge just to give you like a cooling effect, which I think is awesome, and you just remove it from the middle here. So I think that's really cool. Something, once again, I would never pick out for myself, but now that I have it, pretty amazing. Okay, so the next thing is by the brand Murad, which I've seen kind of floating around social media a little bit. I've seen them mentioned, and I've never tried anything from them. I'm always afraid to invest in new skincare. I'm sure a lot of you guys can relate, but this is the Skin Perfecting Lotion. Let's take a look. It says it's an oil-free formula that is perfect for acne-prone skin, which I definitely have. Let me just see what the texture is like. It's really creamy. I love like white moisturizers like this. Let me see how greasy it feels. It says it minimizes the look of pores and also texture, which I think is really cool. Wow, applying that to the back of my hand made a huge difference. I do have dry skin, but I'm always nervous picking out moisturizers because I do have acne-prone skin. So the fact that this is geared towards people specifically with acne-prone skin or texture or large pores really speaks to me. So I'm super excited to try this out. This retails for $40. The next item in here is the Dove Exfoliating Body Polish. It says it's crushed macadamia and rice milk. This is pretty cool, actually. I think this is kind of an extra item because it says it's sponsored by Dove. And I've just really started exfoliating my skin recently. This morning, I exfoliated the heck out of my skin because I'm going to try out self-tanner for the first time. And I'm nervous about it, so I thought I should start exfoliating now. So it's kind of cool and nice timing to get something like this. I like Dove. I've tried their body washes and stuff, so I'll definitely get use out of this. Next thing is this Dermelect Cosmeceuticals Makeover Concealing Rich Filler. No idea what this is. Before I forget to mention, it retails for $18, and this is what it looks like. It's like this really interesting creamy kind of color. Let me just read a little bit about this to see what exactly it is intended to do. It says that this filler keeps your nails healthy and glossy, and it multitasks by concealing nail imperfections with a natural pink hue. It says it also treats your nails with proteins, vitamins, and moisture. So one thing I like is that it doesn't seem like it's loaded with oils. It says peptide infused. I am getting married at the end of next month, so I've been trying so hard to grow out my nails and get them healthy. So I would definitely be using this. It says you can apply it as a base or top coat, or you can wear it by itself just to make your nails look healthy. So I might try a little bit on my nail just to see. Yeah, I would wear this by itself. It's really pretty. It does smell extremely off-putting though. It smells super strong. That's probably the worst nail product I've ever smelled in my life, but it does look nice on the nail. I just don't know how I would get past that smell. This is the Korres Guava Body Butter. I feel like I'm saying the brand name wrong, but I have seen it, I think, in Sephora. I'm gonna try it out real quick and see what the smell is like and also cancel out that smell from the nail product. So in the winter box, we got a hand cream that I loved for this very same reason. It dries down and doesn't feel super slimy on your skin. It like sets, and I hate body products that feel slimy and just feel like they're like sitting on top of the skin. But this really sets in, and it does look healthy because it looks like your skin has like a little bit of oil in it or something. Like it's got like a sheen to it, but it doesn't feel bad. Like it feels really nice. As far as the scent, it's super subtle. Like I can't even put my finger on what it smells like exactly. So this retails for $24, which I don't think is bad at all because you get 4.23 fluid ounces. I probably would use it more as like a hand cream, or if like my arms are dry, or if I have a dry patch or something like that and I need a little extra moisture, I'd probably use it for that. I'm not sure if I would use it for my whole body just because it wouldn't go a long way. Okay, so that was actually the last thing in the box. It says depending on the selection that you got, it's a total value of $347 to $354.99. So the value of the box is, of course, super high. So I'm actually really impressed by this box, and I like it better than I like the last couple of boxes. But I know all of us have different preferences. I still think that it's worth, what is it, $49.99 per season. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will leave the information down below if you want to look into FabFitFun or if you're interested in signing up. Once again, I'm not affiliated with FabFitFun whatsoever. I just like reviewing the products and unboxing them on my channel. Once again, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.